Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
Welcome back mga ka-WONDERSHARE. Today I will share to you one of the most interactive online games for your English subject. Pero you can still use this in other subjects too. What you are going to do is sign in your Google account. Once you sign in your Google account, search in the Google search bar the word Wordwall. Now sign in your Google account in that Wordwall. Once you have signed in, it will be automatically directed to the dashboard of this platform, of this interactive game. Now, as what you can see there in the dashboard of the Wordwall game. Now, as you have seen there are lots of interactives template. These are for free to use, and let's have create activity. So let's have the unjumbled one. Arrange the following sentences correctly.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil.
Remember the subject-verb agreement rules. Remember the subject-verb agreement rules. I'm sorry, it's wrong. So I'm going to copy paste it here in the instruction one. So the title will be correct. Me, place. You can use any titles or depending po sa inyong subjects na tinuturuan. This is not just only for the English subject, but you can use also Filipino, Araling Palipunan, and so on. And marami pong subjects na pwede mo nating mai-apply itong game na Unjump. Now, I only have 10 sentences here, examples. So once I've done this sentences, you're going to click the word done there. And pagkatapos mo yan, you will be directed here. So this is now the examples. So let's try. My cat. So nakita niyo po yung meron lumabas sa mga plus 1, perfect, plus 5, plus 1. So these are the correct points, or the corresponding points I mean to these correct sentences. So the correct sentences here. So this one thing is, okay, let's have, for example, hindi po natin itatama yung sentences are for me. Hirap. Rose. So hindi po siya. Okay. So now we got now the correct answers here. Now we can also choose simply your theme. Yung theme po natin, kung gusto po natin i-change yung theme natin. So pwedeng maging ganito yung itsura niyang ating dashboard or ng ating. Okay, we can also use the random wheel here. Sign in, spin, and I mean my cat waits for me. Or let's have some more. Okay, there are lots of themes here. And in this side, now as what you can see there, mga ka-WONDERSHARE, there are so many templates that you can choose from depending on your subjects, depending on your desire, or your desire regarding your subjects matter. Copy the HTTP there. Copy this one, mga ka-WONDERSHARE. The link. Once you have copied the link, mga ka-WONDERSHARE, you can paste this link to any so much for watching. Please comment down below if you need more tutorials in the future. And if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget another share that it is in giving and sharing that we too are receiving.